Okay, let's open our project. Mine is here. Okay, let's close everything. Let me open my terminal. Control J or go to view. It's all the same. So from here you can have npm1 dev, stand for development. Press enter and wait while your project is loading. Just accept one person there joining us. James. So let's load our project here.
Good morning,
Hey,
everyone.
you're welcome, bro.
And
Okay, so we are here. Good. We are now going to deal with this part here. Welcome, helping local here. So hope everyone is there.
Yes, sir.
Good. So here what you do.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Here what you do, just go to your project, go to component, inside source, choose component. From the component here, choose helping local. This one, double click, we'll see we are here. So check your design here, check your design. We are in this small place here. What's there? You have one big div that have one div again, and the other one big div that contain the 4 here. So what do? Let's first get this color. So this color here, we can say it's natural silver. This color here, it's a natural silver. It doesn't have the fixed hex code. We keep on pressing on it. Say natural gray, something like that. So let's go how we can get this color. Natural silver. Okay, we go. So this is the default contain that one. Add here cn, it's class name. Make there bg dash, like silver, silver. Still wait, still loading. Station hit red. Okay, the CSS is still loading intelligent. But let's try bg dash silver dash 400. Let's see whether it will add color or not. Then it has a width. Okay, a width of 10 out of 12. M is automatic, start from margin automatic. Then within this div, okay, this div you have two extra div, this div here and the one that contain the 4 different div. So inside this one we have this one here. Okay, first divided into two. The big one is here, then this one and the one I put now. So this one having this one here, helping local business relevant itself. It has a h1 and then a paragraph. Okay, then has h1 like this one, and then business and local self here is under a span. Then with that span we can pass this one, and then here it has a CNA, that's a class name of green dash 500. It's text, sorry, text dash green 500 like this. So let's see here, it's not pulling the color. Let's try again, silver dash, okay, bg, pass this one like this. It is f, this is hex code. If you want to put hex code, it is f 5 f 5 f 5 f 5 like this. And now once we take a look on our screen here, you will see what I'm trying to get here is here. But we made a mistake. You see this width here, it's another what, another div. So the div is here, and then this one is close next to this one here like this. Then we have this, have a py property of 8, and like this we can see what we are trying to get here. Okay, then we have a p down. So to put the p, you go down here after this h1, pass a p text here, then go to this design here, check this word here, copy this one, and then just paste it here. And then here you have that part already. And then before we proceed with the decoration, let's get the other 4 parts here. This one here, 1 2 3 4. So if you can see here, it's the one div that have all of them. And then secondly, it has this number and the icon, and then club, members, event, something new payment. So let's try to make this 4 div and then put those numbers and then the text. So the 4 divs find inside this one here. So I can copy this one 4 times, copy and v, copy this 1 2 3 4. Good. So all of them here,
What's the shortcut for that copy that you just did?
it's just copy and paste. You see here, like this, make Ctrl C and then Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Okay, sir.
So up to 4 it will end here. Then here you have to add a h1, all h1, h1, h1. It has h1 that carry the text itself, the numbers like this, and then after that one it has a p that carry things to do like member, name, member, and then before this div itself there is one that handle the icons. That means you can do like this. You have icons and then text, and then you have one div for the icon and then one div that carry both the number and the name down here, which is corresponding to that one. So reaching to this one, let's start with this icon. That means we have to modify here still. So we have this div, and then we have this to carry all of them. So before putting these here, we can do like this. We have the icon here, we can have icon.
Hello, sir.
Yes, hello.
Yes, I was the one that asked you the question about that local database. I'm kind of stuck there. That's why I've never even been able to continue from there. I don't know if you can help to go back on how you created the local database
This one,
.gsx
this one.
file. Yes, yes.
So the things works like this. You have image in your assets here, okay? You have image like this one here, okay? So this image,
Wow. I didn't even see where all this, all,
I think it's,
like I didn't see where all this folder, like
you go to your project. Once you reach your project, this is how it looks like. When you click like this,
even this asset folder. I didn't see where it was created in those videos. So,
no, it's there. The asset folder is automatically
like in the
created.
videos or the YouTube, I
Yeah,
didn't
the
see
video
where it was
YouTube,
created.
we have. Did you follow from day one?
I followed from the one that I've been in the class, but that step 4, like the fourth video, was where I'm lost because at that point I was seeing the assets at the local database, but I didn't see how it was created. So it was kind of confusing for me to follow. That's why I was asking you on the chat.
Okay. Can we settle
In
after
the
the?
video, in
Wait,
the
wait.
video, there is the place that I created the this thing. The imported the source. It's not imported the videos. The image. Sorry. If you follow it very well, like you see it there. I don't
No,
think it skipped any part in the video
yeah,
in
James
lesson 4.
Isaac. He will. I will have another call with him after this one. Let's continue.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, in the evening. I will get back to you. I will send you link. We join. Okay. Justice.
Sir?
I say after this lecture, I will send you link.
Okay, okay.
Good. So we are here. Just follow it out. So we need to have this icon here, the text here. So we will group this one, this number and the word member here in one div, and then the icon goes here. The same thing for the rest, meaning we are going to duplicate this one just uh, here. Here we can put our icon into this, and then the member come here, and then this one is good to go. So since we don't have icon, let's go to our React icon first of all. React icons, like this, search here, type the word member. Let's wait and see. Let's check the icon very well. Is it really member? It's team. It's team. It's not member. Click on this one, copy. It's AI outline, and then go here where I put icon. Remove it. Open tag, paste, close. Then go on top and import it. So import like this. Import. You put the curly brace because you want to only get this one specific from React React icon, React like this, React dash icon slash, see the first letter here is AI, so you type there AI like this. Then we can just duplicate. So you have this type of div. Copy this like this and duplicate 3 times. So go here up to here, remove this, 2 3 4 like this. Now you have this one. So if you take a look on our screen, just try to see what's happening. Scroll down, you will see this is what we are trying to get here, and which is okay. Then we need to do something still about it. First of all, let's start by making it flex. So you have this text here, you have this, you have this, you have this one div, okay. And then you have this, the carry this. So we need one more parent container, okay. that can give them that one. So let's try here. Put here a flex property. Let's say when we reach MD, that's from medium and above, let's try to flex, and items should be in the center. Let's see what will happen if we check the result. Like this, yes, we're getting everything we want. Okay, then let's try to change all the icons. The first one is correct, but the second one, it has to be like I don't know, people are claps or what, like hands. Let's try hand. Okay, others are shaking, or let's try the whole together. No, let's try the whole group. Let's try hand again. Let's try and see. Feel free when you're going to search for this icon, okay? Here it's taking us time already to get. Let's get something related. Just let's take this one to replace that one. So we go on top here also. We import this one. Import. Pass this one there. From React icons. Going to be PI. So we'll change this one later. Let's check the next one. We have so it's like pointer, it's like finger. Really? Let's try this. Then we have put it back here and import. The reason why I'm not putting them all together in one file because they're coming from different sources. Okay, we have icon slash tb. One more. What could be that? This one is payment. I think this one is just payment. Has its name payment there. Payment. Yeah, this one exists. We have this name here. Let's check payment. From the payment, you can do the same import here. From React icons slash MD, like this. Then if this is the last one, we pass it to this one here. That's payment. And then next is what we have this, and go and check the last one here. Next, the handshake, this one. Okay, now if you can see here, everything seems to be okay from our basic style. You see all the icons there, but first of all, let's try to give a space between them from the flex up there so that we can know where we are exactly. Let's say here flex item, justify between, that means give space between them. So now if you go back here, you can see this one is very well and separated. So let's try to flex this for here also. Let's check. Let's go where we are. We are here. So here, let's try to grid it if it is possible. Grid. Let's say like if you go to small mobile, where the grid calls this one, change it to 1. Otherwise, if you go to medium and above, the grid dash columns should be 2. Let's see, and let's give a space gap of 4. Gap here means space. Now if you go like this, you see they're somehow coming. Okay, and then they're somehow pushing themselves there. Let's take this flex out from the parent container. Here, if you remember, I have flex, something like this. Let's also take this one with the grid and see how will it looks like. Let's say here, instead of using flex, because like this by default it's going to take the space, it will be somehow like this. Good. Let's take this one with the flex. Let's say with the grid. Let's say this one is going to be grid. Okay, but to start from medium it's going to be grid dash call start for column, it's going to be 2. Now if I do like this, I'm almost getting what I want really. Okay, then let's work on the icons here. The icons, they're supposed to be like here. So let's go and see what we can do about it. You see the icon is on top, we don't want it to be on top. That means there is something we need to do about it. So we go where there is icons, all here. Where is the div here? All this first div here, you see this div, followed by this one, press down your alt always up to this one. First of all, make it flex. Just by making it flex, I think you can see the icons are coming down. Then it has to be center. Flex, you put items like this dash center, and I press save and go back still here. You can see they are somehow there. And then all the icon size need to be increased. Okay, that means I have to go here. From here, I press my alt down to open my cursor up to here. So all the icons. So I need to add the size. The size will be of 35. Then I need to add the color, or I'll just add CNA, the class name here. I can say text dash green. Then I can see what green should I use. No, green is not like that. Green dash let's say 500, so that we have to match. Now if you go back and see, somehow coming. Okay, next they tackle the h1 because it has a numbers there. So let's go and tackle all the h1. So press your alt down, select only h1, make sure all h1 are selected while you press down your alt. Then you can now give a CNA, a class name. So text should be 2XL, font should be bold. Okay, let's first of all see is there any changes. There is changes. And then between all the icon you should have a space, so it's just attached. You need to leave a space between the icons and the text itself. So we need to go back and select the icons all. So if that is the case, you first go to icons here. At the end here of the icon, press your alt down, your alt down, your alt down. Okay, your alt down. Now there are 4. Then give it space. First of all, we are adding one. Should be inside. There's confusion there. So this one should be here. Okay, we'll arrange the top one. It's now confused. Make a space. Make margin left. No, margin right. Say MR should be 4. And then for this one here, now bring it back to 500 like this. Now if you check on the screen, you can see there is nice space here, and then the numbers is okay. Now just rename, just need to rename your numbers here. If you want to check how many thousands, 50, 0, something like this. It's fine. Maybe you copy this, but remember the numbers are always different. Maybe this will be 9. This will be small at least. Maybe here is up to you. Good. And then the words here, numbers, what you can also rename them. You can check what is going on here. We have what event booking, payment, and the clubs. So we start with the last is clubs. Here is going to be event booking. Really? Event booking has to match with the first payment is with the payment. Here should be payment. Event booking. Here should be club. And there should be members. I think we're good to go with this one. Good. Now let's focus on this text. Remember this text here? Text allows space, helping a local business relevant itself. Helping a local business. So this one need to break, like just the text and space and come back. So let's make the text bigger. Okay. So by going up here, we have this itself here, the span, and then we have this h1. The h1 deserves to have the class name. So first we'll make text dash 3xl, but it has to be from large screen and above. That means from small computer and going to that desktop. Let's see how will it behave. Like text there, it has to be bold. Okay, to make text bold, you just add a font dash bold like this. And then if you see maybe these are small, let's try for XL like this. Then we can break it even by passing BR here, just to avoid problem. Go up to here at the end of this one. If you find this one getting here, JavaScript is trying to give you space here, okay, but it has nothing to do with your code. It doesn't affect. Pass a BR there to break it down for you. Now you can see we broke this one down, and then we need to give a space here between the h1 and the business relevant itself. So that space should be given in our p here, the paragraph. So the paragraph here, CNA will decide whether we want space top and bottom or not. So for that case, we are taking a 4, 4 yeah. Then we go and check. Here's that space. Let's see, is it what we are getting or not. I can say we are good to go. So anyone have problem with this one? Hello.
No, sir.
Very good. So this is how we achieve this one. Okay, local, this one. If you try to check the screen also, you can see we are there. If you try to check your iPad, you see we are good to go. If you go to even iPad mini, the small one, we are good to go. Are you guys there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Good. So this is how we achieve this one without wasting more time. Then we go to this one called about, and then let's scroll down and see what is even there. So this one is the most easiest one. This about, you see it has what, the image here, and then this text. So where to get this image? You are getting it from Andrew. Go to Andrew, click there, search for it, click on browse now, or you wait first. Sorry, browse on this one, search, type there password. I think that one is looking password. No, let's check authentication. No, let's study the picture again. How does it look? Maybe security. I think we will get it somewhere here. So we check. No, the name is not there, but the thing we can get it from this website. Okay, security. Let's go with anyone here that can make sense. Let's take this one, mobile encryption. Download this SVG. SVG is good because it can expand and can be reduced small. It has no any effect, okay, and it's PNG at the same time. So we get that one. So someone was asking about the folder for assets. So this is where we are going to copy this one. Go to your project root directory. This is my project. I'll go to my source. I'll go to assets. I'll put my image there. Maybe I will rename it. I'll call it about. You can call this one about, and I can leave it just there. Then what I can do, I'll go to about itself. This one, go to component, go to about. This is where we are working. So in the about, I have to see first of all how many divs am I going to work with. So if I check the Figma, it has one big div and then another two div inside, and the one is having the text and one is holding the image from the left. So this is easy. I will see here, how did I get this picture? The color of this picture is not what I'm using, so I have to go with the exact color I'm using. So I'm here using this green, this green. So I have to click on this one and download this one again. You go with the design you are using, okay, the color you are using. So here I will first delete this and text this one from here and go back itself to my assets, then paste everything there. So sometimes you don't paste from here, you paste from outside your project directory. So I will go to web application, go to source, assets, and then where we put about, I will delete this one out because the color is not what I want. Maybe then I will rename this one back to about, like this. Now I have this one in my asset. Next I will go and implement everything. So it has one div, and then in the div it has one more div that handle two div. The first div is for the image, okay, one div is taking image, and then the other one div is taking the text and the button. So like this. Then for image I will pass the image element here, img. I'll pass it here. If not, then I can put here about. If there is no image yet, it has to be about. Then the one for text here, I'll pass what is there. We have h1, we have the paragraph, and we have a button like this. Then I will go and see the button, how is the button looks like, and then I will check here in my Figma design. So let's start with implementing this h1. I'll copy this text here, just not to waste time. I'll copy the text and first pass to this. Next I have to copy the paragraph because everything is provided. I'll go here, check my paragraph, copy everything. Okay, just copy everything there, go back, P, and paste. Then in the button here it say learn more. So if we are going to click this on a link to something else, then we have to pass our link here, element here. The link, it's coming from the React router DOM. Then in the link we have two properties which show which directory are we going. We are going to move to about. Once you want to learn more about what's happening, then here I'll pass my button here. Now my image, so I have to import my image on top. Import whatever you import or constant, make sure you pass this at JavaScript. So I'm going to call this one about from, okay, from. I have to go outside from my component so that I can be able to get into asset and get my image. So I have to put double dot slash, then you can see here asset is there. In the assets I have to check about.svg, and then that about I will pass it here, not between the two quotes but inside the JavaScript curly brace. Put about here like this. Now you can see if I check my screen, I can see the skeleton of this one is already there showing. If you see here basic website, then refresh, scroll down, we are looking for about. Oh, about is not into effect. Let's see what page are we working with in the component. So in the component we have this about us. Okay, let's see, it's about us correspond to about is different, so we need to move this one all into about here and leave this one empty. So Control A, Control X, cut everything, REFC, return it to its default stage of before. Let's put here about us, then we go back into about. This is where our project is supposed to be. Yeah, then we wipe up everything by Control A to highlight, and then we make backspace or we click on delete and paste all what we have here so that we can see on the screen what we are trying to achieve. So here now if you check on our about, and then we refresh, then we keep on going, you can see we are here, and this is what we are getting as a result, which is good. Now let's try to give them some grid system and try to arrange everything very well. So here we go. We first of all need to follow the screen. The screen here is it's going to be on this will have an image. So here let's say we shall have a width here of 10 out of 12. Margin should be auto. Make sure whatever you do, try to check on the screen, because if you continue doing you don't check the screen, you will get confused where the error come from. You will not know. Okay, that's the best practice. Do something small. Confirm a bit. Okay, here we go. So get the screen size. Good, we are there. Then let's try to flex everything. So here reaching to this, remember I have two things. We have the image and this one. Let's try to add grid from here. Then grid. Okay, grid. It can be a mobile screen, that's SM. It is going to be grid, but the columns should be 1. That means let it be on top of image, will be on top, then followed by text. Then if you go to medium screen, you can just pass everything from here. It is going to be grid, but the column should be 2. The reason why I cannot mention like in LG, in extra large, what, because some of the things are just well organized from the medium screen and above. Okay, so this one will be like that. Then for the image, I will have to pass the CN here, which is the class name. Also width should be full. Width full is equivalent to 100%. Okay, so that can take the space. And then for the text here, CN text. Okay, the time is warning. The text should be 3XL. Then let's see what's happening on the screen. After we go here, try to check. You can see everything seems to be okay. Okay, so we have text H1, nothing happened there. Let's see what could be the problem. And also we should have a space here. I think we have some good 15 minutes. Okay, this one can help us still achieve what we want to get from the screen here. So here we go. It is going to be text TXT, text 3XL, and then here we can have also a PY property, that is padding top and bottom of 8. So now if you try to see this one and check the result here, you see we are getting that one. And then for this text, here 3x is too small, it has to be 4x from medium and above. That means I will do something like this. 3x, also it has to be font dash bold like this. And then from the P here, CN, you can have the PY property of 4, and then text should be LG. LG means large, around 18 pixels to 20. Make sure you check what's happening. Okay, like this. Then let's try the button here. We say this one, learn more. So the button is very easy. Just go down here in the button place here, add CN class name, and then it has to be text dash white. Text will be white. It has a background of green dash 500. It has a rounded of medium. Rounded medium means 0.37 RAM. Then it has a P property of 2. That's padding everywhere. 2 from top left everywhere. And then let's see what next you should add. Text white. Okay, let's see the background. The background is not well situated, so we have text white. BG green. Okay, green is not written like this. That's the biggest error here. It's supposed to be the N, not D. Now if you go back, I think everything is already implemented here. So you see we have our nice background. So maybe we can add hover property. Yeah, since we started working this project, we did not add anything to do with hovering. So we have class for hover. You just type dot hover here, hover, hover. Then you specify, like when we hover on it, move on it, let the background BG turn into green, but that green should be at least 600, somehow dark. So now if you can check the screen, when I hover on it, you see it changes. So like this, we are almost there. But if you see here, like the text and this one are not the same. So if I put text align center, this one will come into the middle, but this picture still take big screen. So maybe you can try to reduce the height of the image, or let's see what we put to that one. Maybe it's the one affecting. Let's see. I put width full on the image. Let's see. Okay, on the image here we have this one width full. Let's try to remove it and see what happened. If I remove, someone wanted to join, I don't know. So here we have font 8. I think here is fine. There's no problem with this one. Just if you have more text here, if you divide this into paragraph, maybe we can get what we want. Let's try to put it into paragraph and push the space. So here this one is too much. Let's say first of all we divide this into 2 up to here. Control X, then we can pass one more key here and paste this there, and then the same classes here. Text should be large. We'll be applying to this cn text dash lg means large, and then p, I think we don't need to, we have top and bottom. That one has separated this one. Maybe you can say pb. Okay, the one for button should be 4. Separate that one like this. Let's see what we will have. Then we push one more paragraph. Let's copy this and paste it down here like this. Then check very well. Very good. So this is how we achieve this one, and now you can see everything seems to be balanced. So for this one, for picture here, instead of we can return this back fully. Now let's check other screens and see. So if you check here, everything seems to be okay. Okay, so we are here, everything is fine. Let's now check the screens. Let's go first of all into small phone. What do we get here? Oh, this is iPad. In the iPad, you see we're getting this image here, but the two here is too long. So if you want this one, like once you click on this read more, it's going to get us the same text here, like bring more detail. Then here on the iPad we will just, in the medium screen, we are going to hide the two, but from LG we will not hide them, we get it back. Then if you go to mobile phone, yeah, in the mobile phone is going to be good, very excellent. There was no any problem, but we have to put what this H1 here should have the space. So we shall do like this. First of all, can bring this one like this, and then check our code here and say for this image itself, here you can say margin bottom ND, margin bottom should be 4. Let's first start with small screen. Small screen say SN, margin bottom should be 8, but medium and above margin bottom should be 0. Now if I save like this, SN, margin bottom 8, medium, margin bottom 0. Let's save. Nothing happened, and this happened to the one of text because mentioned here 0. Let's do like this. Nothing. Yes, first of all do like this. MD, margin bottom of 4. Okay, it gives space, but let it happen only in SN. It doesn't work. Okay, let's say by default we have margin bottom of 4 or even 8 like this. But what happened on the screen, at the screen, if you go back to that one, there is no problem. But if you go back to iPad, Control Shift I, Control Shift I, Control Shift I here, go to iPad. Yeah, it works with the iPad very well. So let me check at what time are we ending. Oh, it made 6 minutes. Good. So I think in the 6 minutes we are finishing that part. Okay, so for us to deal with this one here for the iPad, it's easy. Either we add the hidden class to, let's start with this one. Let me go back to my Visual Code Studio here. So remember we have how many? 2 extra line which is disturbing there. So if you say someone is joining, now who be that? Adrian. Okay, Adrian, you're welcome. So we're still here, so we can do something easy like this. Just add these classes, special class, it works like magic. So we have these two. I don't want them to disturb in the medium screen, so I can say in the medium screen this one is going to be hidden. Hidden means don't show, but as soon as we go to large screen and above, hidden will be none. Okay, or we just say display block. This it's going to be block. The block, let's say. So here we go. You see in iPad now I eliminated this one. So now let's try to go back to our normal screen. Everything is there. Now let's go back to our phone. If I go to phone, select iPhone, everything is there. So this is how we can deal with this one. So I think here, is there anyone having doubt? Hello?
No, sir.
Very good. So I'm sending another link so that we can finish this one. Okay, brand. Okay, and contact. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can I send link or you guys are tired already? Hello?
Think so.
Let me send. Hello guys, I'm not getting you guys. You guys have option.
Yes, sir. Send the link.
Okay, very good.
The link.
All right. I'm sending now. You guys join now. Okay.
Okay.
Good. So wait for two more people. Okay, we continue. So here we are coming. Okay, Isaac, I think remain one person. So we're expecting to do something here with the brand here, and this one is even very easy. And then the last one will be this one. So here we go. This is like the client or testimonial. This part here, you can see the name of the person, and then the place where or the position the person is working, and then there is some logo icons here. So we don't need to worry about the icons, we have them already up. We will just reuse this. You will just reuse the one which is above here. So what we do now is to first work on this one. This one is just the copy of what we have. It has image and the text, and then for this one here, the difference is it has this image, it has h1, and then it has the paragraph. So what we are going to do is very easy. We just copy what we have there, paste it here into brand, and then we do some small modification, and then we get we have this one already, brands logo already. We bring them down here and fix them, save and all. So let's do it without wasting time. Here we go. We first get everything here. Copy this one all. Control C. Copy this all. Close this brown. Close this about. Go back here. Brand here. This is where we need to be. So here for this case, Control A, Control V. Then make sure you return this one back to brand so that you can read on the screen. Brand like this. Now if you go on the screen, you can see there is no difference. We just get this one without wasting time. You see, this is what we get here, just on top of the other. Then we are going to modify. We don't want h1, and we don't want match things, and we don't want this picture. So let's see what picture should we bring here. It's Tesla. That on the Tesla, I think we don't get this one here. Tesla. Let's use this one for space. Now load. But usually it's the name of person, okay? Because if you can see here, Tim Smith, this one is representing person. Let's try to get someone images from the Google there. Google. Let's get name picture like John. Now let's go to images. If you want to get the PNG, type here PNG because you don't want the background. Fine. You can get one John there. Spring John Cena. Okay, let's use him even. John Cena. Wrong place. This. Then you save this one. Okay, let's go here, John. Now we can close this one and go back. First of all, you need to go and work on this one. So we don't want the image is going to be John Cena. It's going to come from here. John Cena. going to be John Cena dot png, but the image is not there. It's going to freak out now. John Cena. Now let's go and import the image inside. Let's go first of all to our downloads. It's there. Copy this image. Let's go to our project. My project is here, and then source assets. Let's leave John Cena there. Now let's check the screen. Is there John Cena or no? It's breaking. John Cena is not the way how we written there in the file name. So let's go and fix this one. Go here, import. Let's go to import here, up to /, put it back again. Then type John Cena, select John Cena from the list like this. I'm sure the problem is solved. Now let's check one more. Yes, the John Cena is there. Next, we don't want the H1 there, we just need that one to start. So, or we can do it like this. Instead of going to check the screen, is so tiresome. Bring this one here, and then Control Shift I. We can use a medium to see the screen here. We can use iPad Air. Yeah, like this we can be able to see the result. Even if it's small, it's okay. We are not going to go to Control B. I can try to reduce this one too also. So this is our code, and then that one is there. Maybe we can try to increase 100 is not going to make sense. 75 is fine. Okay, let's give space between John Cena and the text there. So here is image. So for the image, you can say margin on the right should be 4. By saving this, I will do like this, margin right up here. Yeah, here we create this space here already. Then next, I don't want the H1. I have to remove it all out like this. It has gone. Then how many paragraph do I need? I don't need the other 2 paragraph here. I don't want this. Even I don't want the second one here. Now if I save, that's what I will see. And then down the button here, down the button I have this H1. We say John Cena is the name. I can maybe add the CN class name here. The class name text should be green. That's the first thing. But that green should be at least 500 because we're using nice format. And then the font should be bold like this. It's already showing there. And then it will have a py property of 4 to separate the button and the other one. And then down that one we can have another H1 which say he is chairman. Let's just use the word chairman at WWE. Then this one also would have a CN property, CNA property, X dash XL extra large like this, and it has the PB, the bottom of 4 like this. And then down we can have our, let's see, is there this one. okay, this one there end, and then we don't have button. Okay, here button is replaced with this text, meet all the customers. Good. So we can have our div down here instead of this one. So we go, so it's there. Maybe I can put this one to 50. Yeah, like this is visible all. Then instead of having this one, all this one, we don't need this button here first of all. Or if we want to keep it, then we can push it down first of all, or we just copy this one like this, and then we put a div here. This div will help us pass all the images here. Ctrl Z, image, and then the image is going to come from our brands, from local database. Let's go to local database first of all. In the local database, we have images for the brands. Okay, so where are they? This is nav bar, and then we have this one, company's brand. Okay, it's called company brand. It has the image as a property and then the ID. So company brands. So I'm going to put here company underscore brand like this dot map.
Sir,
Yes, map is a function. Yes.
can you send our local database.js to the group so we can compare to our own?
Okay, no issue. I will
Yes.
send. So we take brand, then we return a arrow function. I will get parentheses, then we can push this image here. The first thing we can add is the key. The key is going to be brand. Okay, brand dot underscore id. Okay, then we need to import brand here. Brands. Okay, we go to top here, on top here, and import underscore company brand, company underscore brands from, because they are in the same folder, I can just put dot / local database like this. Now we can get this one. Then here in the place of image, I will pass brand dot image like this. In case if there is no image, then I can just pass here brand. I can just pass within this code brand underscore image like this. Now let's see, is there any changes or not before we start adding the CSS. Good, I can see there is almost everything there. There is almost everything. So there is one thing, they are following what the other part, or what the text and this one. That's why they are all at the right hand side, so we need to pull it out of that one. So to do that one, we can do something like this. Go back to this, and then we count how many texts. Okay, this is the text, so we need to pull it outside this one. That means they have to be here. So to pull this one from the text, we have the paragraph, we have the h1 this div. So this is the div you want to push it down. So highlight this one, put your hand on the alt, bring this down like this. Now save. You can see it will take the whole position. Now they are taking almost the whole position. Now if you go here, oh, they are following also this one. So let's remove it out of this one too. That means you have to push it one more down up to here. Now if you go and try to see, yeah, everything is there. So everything is taking the entire screen. then we can just put it inside a div and try to put a grid system there so they can take care of everything. Okay, so here this is what we have, and then within this one now we can have a grid system for this one. So let's add a grid system here by adding one more div, and then close this div, this one, close this one down here like this. Then for this one we can add a grid system, grid, and then for us we have no problem if we are in the small or big, no problem. We start with the medium, yes. Okay, medium grid. We will take the column of 7 like before. Let's see, 7 column, will it fit or not? Seven column. So this is Control Shift I. Let's see the 7 column. Okay, let's check the design itself. Oh, it has to be in the other side, not the one of different image. Sorry. Let's go and put it the other side. First of all, let's reduce the size. Let's try to put the size here for the image here. For the image CN, add CN here. Stand for class name. Let's say width, but you can put with the square bracket. We can specify exact size we want by, say maybe 100 pixels for the width, and see how will the image looks like. Sorry. Okay, they are coming small, and then let's first of all go and flex everything. Here they're inside this. Let's use the word flex. Items should be in the center like this, and remember it has to be, click on this one. Okay, this is the end. Copy this up to here, move this one under the German like this. Now if we go back, they have to be under this side here. Okay, according to the design from the Figma. Good. So if you reach up to this level, it has to be flex. It has to be grid, not what I'm trying to see there. It has to be a flex. So here I'm using grid everything. I think here is not working. Let's bring this grid here. Control, and then let's replace with the flex and see what changes are we going to get. Info. So here we can get what's happening. It's still somehow good. Okay, it's not bad. So let's try to give it space. Let's even give a space here. The space we give by gap. Okay, gap of 2, and then now we see it's good, there is space, but they are not all in the center, so we will still display put them at the display by let's first of all bring this here and then open our screen at the other side. Which one? this one. Let's open this one there, and then let's carry Ctrl Shift I to go to iPad. Yeah, please, it's medium. Okay, like this. Then let's try to make it very well by this. So we're still facing problem that we don't know exactly, are we in Flex or what? So let's say here is the image. So let's take this image like this and put it inside a div, and this div will hold the image. And then instead of adding the ID here, we can remove this ID key and pass it to this div to avoid the errors. Now everything seems to be okay. Then the div here that handle everything here will be responsible to flex everything, and you can try to make items all into the center like this. Now if I save, everything is solved. If I go back to the big screen and scroll up, you see everything is there already. So up to this level, is there anyone get confused?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Very good. So here we are able to bring this one here, and then if you check the result is still here, you can see there is this one, meet all customers. So if you want to push it again, then we are going to reduce the size of this logo, and then we can add that one more and make columns to 8. Okay, so we see here, instead of column 7, we put here 8. Then we reduce from 100 to 75, or just 70 the width, and then let's see whether the screen will not change or how. Yes, it's going good, and here we can be able to add our link property there. So it's good. Now let's see how we can add the link. So to add the link, let's see, here we have the grid, everything there. Let's say within this div, I'm going to add my link property. Just try to add here link like this, and I put here like read more, something just like this. Let's say, where does this one going to stay before going ahead? So if you put that on, you see it's going to be on top everywhere. So that's not the right idea. So the right idea is, first remove it from here. 2, you see this grid, and then you see this one here. Let's put it outside this and say link, this capital later. Something like this, first of all. Okay, like this, fine, we can flex it later on. So let's put our link there. Here's the position you can put. First of all, CNA, it has to be green, text will be green, text will be green, 500. The text here says see all customer, all customers, like this. And then outside this one here, just make flex items center. Here we can add the margin from the left, and add margin left of 4 like this. Let's try to see. If we go back here, good, it's here already, it's coming. See all customers, and then let's here meet all customers, and it has the arrow. That means we can still reduce the size of our icons so that we can avoid the issue. because here is somehow already there, but the space is not enough. So justify flex item center, justify, and so here let's use flex property again. Since we make it center, click this, okay. Since we make it flex into the row, flex item center, flex itself to end, flex end. No, flex end, flex dash e, flex center, justify, between, like this, create a space between them. First of all, let's bring this here, and then let's bring that to the other side here, and then let it be Ctrl Shift I. Then here we can have our code. So let's see, all customer is supposed to meet all customers. Maybe we can reduce the font size also here. Text dash you can put in pixels. By putting square bracket there, we can specify like 10 px, like this. C is going to be meet all customer. So this text seems to be big or what. Let's try to say customers just. Okay. Then there is arrow here. Let's first expand. Ctrl Shift I, expand even. Okay, the space isn't enough. Let's reduce our icon still. So to reduce the icon, we go to, instead of 70, let's bring it to 40. Let's see what happens if it is 40. There is space. Yes, there is enough space. But this one is becoming so small. Let's first write everything what we are supposed to write. Like here we have meet all customer, and there is that arrow. So let's get that arrow. If you guys get tired, let me know also. We have arrow pointing at the right hand side. Where is that one? Okay, it's there. Copy this. This. Then we are going back on top here. We first import it. Import. Put curly brace from React icons dash FA, stand for font awesome. Then we go down, this is the link, so here we need to put it inside a div because there are two. Here I first put this one. Next I have to bring my FA here, this font arrow, this one. Copy this and scroll down here, paste it. Paste this one there. Then we have size also. There's the size of 35, and it has a CN property or text dash green dash 500. then it has a flex property here of items all should be straight, that's to be in the center. Okay, then this here in the class name it will have a margin x, no, margin left is okay, margin left or 4. Now if you check the screen very well, by going to this, check our basic website, we are expecting to see okay, there's crashing somewhere, so let's go again to inspect, auto shift I. Now let's go to click on this one, go to console and see where is the errors coming from. So what are they saying? The message code closed before, no, unquote module deep react icon does not provide name. This one they say the icon we brought, this arrow here, it's not provided by font awesome FA. Let's go and check font A. And if you go on top, scroll down, font awesome is coming from React icons. Yeah, it's correct. React icon. Slash FA, yeah. Now they reject. So we check another one. There's option always. If they reject this one, fine. Let's check another icon, another arrow here. So FA long is not accepting. Let's go with this one. FA arrow. This one. So we get back here. We replace this and then replace this down here.
So I can't see your screen again.
The screen is not showing?
It's not showing.
Okay.
I can see you on screen. I can see your screen.
Check, you refresh,
Let me
bro, refresh your, James.
let me try.
Yeah, refresh
Yes.
your screen.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Good. So it has accepted this one, the one we just put. So scroll down, you see the arrows there,
Okay.
but it's too big, so we can reduce this one by one thing only, that is the font size. Go to the font size here, font size from 25, make it 20. Let's see. Good, this is what we want to have there. And then see all customer, meet all customers. Good, let's go and type this word down there. Meet all customers. Meet all customers, or this A should start with the capital. It's okay. Then now if you go back, try to check. You see the text is still too much. That means we need to keep on reduce the size of our icon, and that one's not a good practice. So let's just put here, see more is the best way. Okay, see, oh yes, read more is good also. Read more, good. Now if you go back, okay, still going back. Okay, depend on the screen. That's what I have understood. If it is in large screen, okay, what all we put there, like see all customer, will appear very well. Assume you put like this, see all customers, like this. Check on the big screen. Okay, everything will work. The problem will come only when you're on the small screen, like going back into shift, especially medium screen, that is this one here. So we'll reduce the font size of the icon due to the screen we are using. So let's go and do that one. So we can just add a special classes there. Okay, so this is a big deal. Here we go. We say okay, we are reducing this one up to, where is the icon first of all? Here. So the width is going to be this one only when we are in medium screen, but otherwise if you go to large screen, okay, it's going to be width will increase to 70 pixels, like this. Or even let's try 100. I think 100 can work perfectly on the computer screen. Only on iPad, let's try iPad, large screen. Yeah, large screen, 70. We don't need 100, we need only 70. So we reduce this 100 into 70, like this. And then let's see. Can check from here. Very good, like this. Then even the text, you can reduce it a little bit, because we have justify between. Let's see, let me justify between is all causing this. Let's try to address it. Let's remove the word justify between out and just give it a margin only. So we have justify between flex item center. Let's first remove this word out. Let's first try to link this one together. So here we have the 80% of the screen is here, showing at the end of that one there. So I'm sure if you have a big screen, my computer is a small computer. If someone have a computer that is around medium, this one will fit there. Okay, Control Shift I. Let's go back to medium screen. It's good. Now let's try phone. Okay, we get Benzina there. Very good with the description. Good. Then our icon, we can, you see on the phone, it's coming this way, so we will flex the direction into column and pass everything in the center. Okay, let's go and see how we can achieve this one. So let's bring phone here. Okay, this is a telephone, and then let's bring our source code. So let's give a width, default width here. Pass this one here so we can see what's going on the screen. Good. Let's first of all give a width. Let's width for this one of 50 pixels. Let's see. That's what we will have. 50 is too small. Let's make it 200. It's too big. 150. Always try 150. Then with the place where I put flex and item center, we're going to say flex let flex happen in the median screen and above. Okay, by default it will be on top like this. Then flex from median and above, item should be center. And then we have the reason here, image, and it has this flex property. Let's say here flex center, flex dash center. Let's see. Center, item center. MD. MD also. Item should be center. Then here I have our nice see all button here. Then we can increase this one, the text down here first of all. Where is the text? Okay, yeah. This one should happen in MD and above. Text itself should be XL. Like this is becoming bigger, and then let's add some nice around to this image. Let's go and here add the rounded should be MD. Let's try some BG to that image. BG gray dash 400. No, we need to put that on maybe 100. Are you guys there? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
very good. So yes, we are still there. So we got this John Cena, we got
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay, so we are coming closer here. We can put this diff py property over 4. Yes, to get that space out, and then let's try to flex them into 2. So here we see we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 plus this one. See, all customer will be 8. So when we flex them into 2 2 2 2 2. Okay, let's try. So we go on top here where we have medium flex, what flex. So let's start here. Flex, it's going to be by default. We have flex row, so flex row will bring this one back for us. Flex wrap, flex wrap. Okay, let's just go to image. This is image. Okay, here is the image. Instead of doing that one all, let's pass width should be 100. And so here LG medium, width itself should be full. Yes, full. Good. Then we can give them a space y dash y or 4. Are you there? Or just py property of 4. Then width full is going to take the whole screen, but we can do something about the height here because we don't want to take large space. So where is the height? When we use W, it's the same thing. Then we just put height here. H stand for height. Height should be 9. Let's see now. Oh, 9 is very small. Let's take it with the square bracket. Should be at least 100 px. Let's see. That's not what we want. It has to be 150 px. Good. Now if you go back to other screen, you see the height will disturb a lot. So instead of putting here 150 height, let this one only be in SM only, but MD height should be 0. Height should be none. Yes. Let's see. Let's see. I think there is 15-minute warning there. Okay, remove height out. It's fine. Good, just like this is good. So we go here. Then remove the background. Yeah, the background is supposed to be removed because when you go to small screen like phone, that's what we are getting. So let's remove the background from the medium. To do that one, we need this one. Background gray 100 to move it out. Maybe you put this one only on small mobile, but the BG from medium plus BG should be 0. And then like this we're good to go. We go back to big screen and refresh. Scroll. Oh, we still have that background because the screen is SM. Max. Let's put here max dash SM. Yeah, like this it has gone. So that's how this one should be achieved. Okay, and then let me check here. We have warning 11 minutes we can finish contact. I don't know, are you guys tired? Hello?
No, sir. No, I'm not tired.
But I'll put
Sammy, I'm tired.
Isaac.
It's not more plenty now. Just remaining one more, Abby.
Okay, the girl
Yes,
is
sir. Let's finish it so that we can.
tired. So
Start another stuff next time.
yeah,
She said
tomorrow.
we can finish it.
Yeah, we are almost there. You see, we remain with
Okay.
the contact here. Contact is just a form,
Yeah.
and it's okay. Tomorrow we have lecture. It's okay. We are finishing this one all tomorrow. We'll first deploy. Okay, we're going to deploy to GitHub, and then we can share with our friends while we are working on it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
tomorrow
sir.
we are deploying this one to
Okay,
GitHub
sir.
and share with you. You can be able to share with your friend. Even I'm going to share the whole source code tomorrow if I put them into GitHub. So you guys can be able to download to your computer and modify them. Okay. I will show
Yes,
you
sir.
Okay,
a
sir.
lot of things
Okay,
tomorrow.
sir.
Bella, I will send you the video later on the group there. Let me first upload the video.
Okay.
Bella, have a good
Thank you,
day.
sir.
Prepare for tomorrow.